This is just a sample of the audiobook. To get the complete audiobook, access the link posted in the first comment.
Are you one of those people who has been considering learning a new language? Is Spanish the one you are considering learning? This is the book for you. Then keep listening. In case you didn't know yet, Spanish is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. More than 500 million individuals are native Spanish speakers. Therefore, by that figure, it is considered as the second most sought-after language following Mandarin Chinese. Apart from that, a study has shown that it's the most romantic of all languages. No matter if you wish to learn the language simply to widen your knowledge, or you want to learn it because you are traveling to a Spanish-speaking destination, you will require a guide to make your whole learning process much simpler and stress-free. Learning Spanish will help you communicate better on your trips. It will help you and others to understand each other better. So, let's welcome you to this amazing book, and let's hope that as soon as you finish reading and listening to this book, you will be able to have gained more Spanish vocabulary, but also you will feel like going on your own personal adventure by learning this beautiful language. Enjoy! Don't wait anymore. Press the Buy Now button and get started.